In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a lead magnet funnel in GetResponse. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's get started with the basics. A lead magnet funnel is an essential part of any online marketing strategy. It's designed to attract potential customers by offering something of value in exchange for their contact information, typically their email address. Once you've captured that information, you can nurture those leads and eventually convert them into customers. First, you'll need to log in to your GetResponse account. If you don't have one yet, you can easily create an account. Just follow the instructions on their website and you'll be all set. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by a dashboard that has a user-friendly interface, perfect for beginners and seasoned marketers alike. The first step in building your lead magnet funnel is to create your lead magnet itself. This could be a free ebook, a cheat sheet, a webinar, or anything else that provides significant value to your target audience. Think about the problems your target audience is trying to solve and what information would help them the most. Once you've decided on your lead magnet, you'll want to make sure it's professionally designed and easy to access. After your lead magnet is ready, you'll move on to creating a landing page in GetResponse. Land on the dashboard and look for the Landing Pages tab. Click on it, and then you'll see the option to create a new landing page. GetResponse offers a variety of templates that are perfect for lead magnets. Browse through them and choose one that you think aligns best with your brand and the lead magnet you're offering. Once you've selected a template, it's time to customize it. Make sure you include an enticing headline that grabs attention. You'll also want to write a brief description of what your lead magnet offers and why it's beneficial. Make it persuasive. The goal is to convince visitors to provide their email addresses in exchange for your lead magnet. Next, look for a form element in the template. This is where potential leads will enter their email addresses. Customize this form to collect not just their email, but also their first name if you wish. Adding a personal touch can be beneficial. Make sure that the submit button is clear and inviting. Something like, "Get my free ebook" or "Download now" works great. Once you have your landing page set up, it's crucial to test all the links and ensure that the lead magnet is delivered properly. After someone submits their email address, they should receive an automated email with the lead magnet attached or a link to it. To do this, head over to the Email Marketing section of GetResponse. Click on Autoresponders and set up a new sequence. Create your first email, and in the body of the email, thank your new subscriber for joining your list and include your lead magnet. This is also a perfect opportunity to introduce yourself and your brand if they haven't encountered you before. Don't forget to encourage them to reach out with any questions they might have. Now that your landing page and email autoresponder are set up, it's time to drive traffic to your lead magnet funnel. Share the link to your landing page on social media platforms, write a blog post about your lead magnet, or even embed the sign-up form on your website. The more people know about your lead magnet, the higher your chances of capturing new leads. Finally, keep track of your metrics. GetResponse offers various analytics tools that let you analyze the performance of your funnel. Look out for metrics like conversion rates and open rates to see what's working and where you can improve. So to wrap it up, creating a lead magnet funnel in GetResponse involves crafting a valuable lead magnet, building an enticing landing page, setting up an autoresponder, driving traffic, and continually monitoring your results. It may seem a bit overwhelming at first, but following these steps will guide you toward creating a successful lead generation strategy. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for more